Well, this apartment life can be challenging. I do my yearly take the wheels off, inspect, clean the calipers, clean the inside of the wheelbarrow real good. Haven't got to the back one yet. This apartment life, I don't have a water spigot, so I have to walk to the other side of the complex, fill my roof rack water thing up, put air pressure in it, and then I can use it to wash the wheels individually on the Supra. So I'm just doing my normal yearly maintenance on the car. It's November, nice and sunny down here in Florida, but Supra's been looking pretty good. Been keeping it clean, putting a little bit of mileage on it every week, just driving it to work one or 2 days a week. I live real close to work, so keeping it fresh. Time for an oil change, my yearly oil change. Keep this thing looking good. Let me get the wheel off. I got to drive the thing up on a 2x4 to be able to fit the jack. Hiding underneath there is one of those those pucks that fit into the jack spot. Should barely be able to fit this underneath the back tire with that up on two 2x4s. Wish me luck, and I'll show you when I get it off how dirty it is. All right, here's what I'm dealing with my yearly cleaning. Just soap and water. It's really all I need. I just never try to really get in there when they're on the car and clean in there, because it never comes out even, so I just wait till I have them off. All right, let me show you how this is my little pressurized hose. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. Little spot right there, you know, no biggie. All right, okay, the fall cleanup all done. Wheels are super clean, all torqued back to spec. The barrels are really clean. Car's looking pretty good for being 3 years old, but in all fairness, I only drive it when it's nice out, and it only has about 7,500 miles on it, so it stays pretty clean most of the time. Looking good. Interior is still looking real good. Custom doors are holding up really well. Floor mats holding up really well inside. I'll show you just cleaned the suede on the steering wheel. Needed it, even though my hands are usually clean, it still needs it. Let's see, here's a little pop for the trunk. Stereo system still looking good, sounding amazing still. I think I need to dry off that a little bit, clean that jam out a little bit, but yeah, looking good. So that's the fall wrap-up video and kind of an update on how the Supra's doing. So catch y'all later.